How to use. Install the two brackets on the left and right sides. Install the emergency pause handle. The red dot on the handle is inserted after aligning with the red dot on the machine. The instrument comes standard with 7 handles. There are 5 connection interfaces. It is possible to operate up to 5 handles at the same time. Select the corresponding SM handle according to the operating part. Select the corresponding patch according to the operation site. Open the clip where the handle is attached. The direction of the arrow is aligned with the insertion. It needs to be inserted correctly. The white wire is aligned with the interface and the clip is closed. Connect the power supply. Break the leakage protector upwards. Plug in the key. Rotate in the direction of no to start the instrument. Above the instrument is the emergency shutdown instrument switch. Press the emergency switch. The instrument was immediately shut down in an emergency manner. The key twists to off to turn the instrument off. Attach the corresponding patch to the operating part. Cleanse the face. Wipe the customer's face dry with a dry towel to keep the face dry. Patches are applied to different parts. Turn on the machine after applying the patch. Place the emergency pause handle for the customer to hold. During the operation, the customer can be asked about his feelings many times, so that the energy can be adjusted in time. When the time is up, remove the patch. Apply the mask and follow the skincare. Unscrew it with a screwdriver. Remove the burned fuse and replace it with a new one. Then use a screwdriver to screw it back. If the fuse is burned out, the fuse will be replaced in the same way.